There's something in there.
Yeah, that's not
I love how that's in the video.
Don't these come off?
Yes, that's what he's trying to get off with his fingers. Watch, we're gonna have to take the bumper off again.
Oh no.
You should have the flathead. I think that should do it.
That's what I just said.
Good job,
He
TJ.
said he doesn't know if he has it.
Oh.
But so what are you placing here?
That.
This whole fucking thing.
Is it?
Yeah.
Then you might have to take the bumper off.
That's what I said.
very rusty knife.
Oh god. No, I don't want to be here.
Like, has anyone told you your car's a little dysfunctional?
Just a little.
At least it's got nice headlights.
Yeah.
I'm hiding behind the wall.
Jeez! That's gone. I hope you got that.
No, she
Oh
didn't.
no, it's right here.
Oh, did you?
It's recording. I'm sorry, I'm hiding over here. I don't trust the rusty knife.
Nothing wrong with old Rusty. Wait, so
God.
why are you putting on a front license plate? Did you get pulled over for it or something?
I've been warned several times.
Yeah, me too. But you don't see a front plate on my car.
But
Hey, at
I
least
thought it
he's
would
cool.
look better than having it in the windshield all the time.
That's true. That's it? We're doing all this for this.
And then we also have to drill underneath, like.
Well, hold on.
I think we take the emblem off first.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I don't. I think there's
It is
screws in the back here.
Wait, hold on. I don't know.
Oh no.
Okay, I think. How do we shoot? Yes.
This is all we're working for.
Are we
right
gonna
now.
actually? No, I don't know.
I think there's
That
just
is
one
good.
screw holding this thing on.
Wait, that's all we're working for?
This is
I thought you got the whole grill.
just the emblem. I thought it was the whole grill too, to be honest.
Okay, no problem. No
Nope.
problem.
Well, that was easy.
Positive, guys, positive.
Oh no. It's being held by an oil cap.
Make sure that's
Radiator. Is it closed or open?
I don't think you want to open it right now.
Yeah, me neither.
Yeah, I think we can work with this much.
There we go.
Can you help us? Yay.
Oh, and
I think I just saw it.
Oh, it's right there.
New one in. It's okay.
I know, I see it under the car.
I don't think these are supposed to be like that.
I think those
No.
are broken.
You're supposed to chill here, then you're supposed to put that on top.
Oh. Hold on.
I'm wiggling.
Oh, there we go.
Where?
Is it?
Right there. Twist. I pushed you.
Okay, now.
Yeah. Okay, now you just gotta get the last one in.
Nice.
I'm gonna drill holes in the bottom of it.
That.
Yep. Which side do you want it on? You put it on
goes
the
like-
left side.
Up, right in here.
I've seen on the right side more.
And this just sits like that.
Mm.
Saying, like if you have a compressor at home, just take the filter off and blow the living shit out of it.
I don't.
So you have maximum efficiency.
Oh, that one in really easy.
Like butter.
You know what I have
It's
a
all
feeling
done.
though?
Let's go home, boys.
I have a feeling that your dad's gonna be racing with us. He's gonna be like
It's
pulling.
too slow though.
What is this? Heat class?
Mm-hmm.
Where did the hole? Yeah, I don't understand this.
You guys should take the bumper off again.
Oh!
That's off now.
What did I break though? I don't know.
I'm getting
Much work.
air intake.
Better.
There's a cold air intake right there.
New one.
No. Like, how much did you pay for that one?
Oh, that's an aftermarket one?
300.
Yes. 300 by engine.
Someone's trying to steal your tools, like.
Like, you should turbo this car.
Look, all that extra room for a turbo. Oh my god, why?
The end.
bumper install by TJ Singh.
Oh my god. But I do not know where the 8 is.
How the hell are you going to school?
He doesn't know what 8s are.
A glimpse of Leg's life.
Oh no, this is a brake lift.
Told you.
But it's
Power steering's gonna be that top one, I guarantee it. Somebody go
Yes, it has to. But my brake fluid is over there too.
Is it?
Yes.
That's so weird. I think that's it.
Lane, I don't mean to alarm you, but you forgot your bash bar fucking
Yeah.
stuff.
You need that?
Yes, you do.
I don't have it on my car, but
It's probably
you
better.
don't need it.
It's for protection.
No, it's so your bumper doesn't cave in forward onto your back.
And take it off again.
I didn't know you put styrofoam on.
Oh god. I hate that noise.
I don't know what it is either.
Perfect.
Just gonna close it all up before it falls. I think it fell. Whatever.
At least it's
No,
in
it's
there.
there.
No, no, it's good. Oh, but this didn't go.
Oh.
Jesus.
I think we need to push the bumper a bit this way, no? My brake doesn't. Oh my god.
Engine mounts.
That's how yours was doing too.
Yeah, so don't tell me my car's special. Everyone's
It
car
was.
does it.
What do you mean? That's a bad thing.
Isn't this what we did last time?
Yeah, see, you gotta give it a few. See, my bumper's on.
That's what I was doing. It's the same thing.
See, look.
It's still not lined up. You can push that in if you want. Oh. Here, I have another one here.
That one goes in this one.
I think so.
That one wasn't there.
This one
In there.
goes in this one.
And this one will usually go in here.
Oh yes.
Get this from the back. Like having to take
Oh,
off the
God.
bumper again.
God,
but-
stop.
Oh, and I put away the 8
By the
that
way,
I
all of
couldn't
us
find.
should invest in our number plates. Get it adjusted. Like
Yes.
This was supposed to go back there as
Oh
well.
my
What is
god.
that? Oh my god.
We'll just leave that.
It looks fine. As long as it's not loose, then it should be good.
I don't think it was supposed to.
Yeah,
go
I
back
don't think so either, actually.